Hello viewers. So today we will discuss, learn and revise a new interesting topic of English language. So the name of the topic is spelling puzzles, and there are some words in English with some silent letters. Okay. So the silent B first. See, here in this word the letter B is there, but it will remain silent. Okay, so what will be the pronunciation of it? It will be dumb. Dumb. Okay, not dumb, it will be dumb. Lamb. Lam. Lamb. So B will be silent here. Here also dumb, so B will be silent. Clear? Next, bridge. Ridge. D is silent here. D is silent. Pay attention, students. Here, silent E. Receive, believe. So here also, E remains silent. Silent G. Bright. Fight. So G is silent. Silent H. Okay. Hour. Okay, hour. O-U-R. Hour. Ona. Okay, silent H. R also silent here. Will come in details about this later. Silent K. No. Okay. Knife. So K is silent here. Silent L. Cup. Come. Chalk. L is silent here. L. Silent R. Heart. Okay. Heart. Silent T. Catch. Snatch. T is silent here. Silent U. Guest. Guess. So U is silent here. Silent W. Right. Wretched. So W is silent. But what is the rule that we'll learn now? Rules. Okay. So how you will recognize what is the fundamental functions of it? It is very important to learn. Definitely we'll learn it. Okay. I'll tell you. Don't worry. Dear students, pay attention. If so, we have learned about this. There are some English words. In that words, there will be some letter on letter, and that will be silent. Here we have learned about it. So here dumb, D-U-M-B. Okay, but we will not pronounce B. So it will be dumb. Lamb. Okay, so B will remain silent. Like this, many words are there in English dictionary. Okay, so this is known as the spelling puzzles. Now what is the rules of it? Okay, what are the rules are followed? So in the same syllable I will give you some of the rules in this video. Next video I will give you more about it. Okay, rules. If before L, remember very important, if before L, if the word letter F K M comes, okay, the L will remain silent. Okay, if before L, F K M, these words come, letters come, sorry, not word, letters, then L will be silent. Example we have here. We have, definitely we have. So here before F, L came, you see. F is there, इससे पहले कौन सा लेटर है? L, so it is cup. L silent. Before L, K is there. Okay, like this word is there, so L will remain before L if the word K remains. Okay, like this word also we have. Okay, let's come to D. If before D, if G comes, the letter G, okay, then D will be silent. Okay, if before R T comes, then R will be silent in the letter. If before E L I comes, the letter I, then E will be silent. Okay, so here we have E silent because before E I is there. You see? Okay, and these all are before, but here if B comes after M, this will be after M. If B comes, then B will be silent. Okay, so what is the example? We have clear example. After M, B came here. Okay, so B is silent here. See, after M, B is there, so B is silent. Dear students, many words are like this. So rules are followed in this way. I will discuss more about this in the next video. Stay connected and remember another one. At the end of the letter, if R is there, okay, at the end of the word R is never pronounced. What is the example? Example I will give you. There is a river. Okay, so at the end of the word the R is there. Okay, so here R will be silent. You see, there is a river, not river, river. Okay, so this is how, dear students, stay connected, continue to learn, subscribe, share and like. Okay, I will give you more details, more rules, fundamental functions of the spelling puzzles in the next video. Stay connected, happy learning.